I've decided for the rest of this cruise, it's gonna be all tastings. Because there's so much food happening. When will I ever have a meal? Thank God for last night. I sat down and ate. This morning I went back to Razzle Dazzle and sat down and ate. But now that I'm in the galley, having walked around, it's impossible to sit down and just eat one thing. So I have it all figured out. I'm gonna just taste and go. So here I am tasting ribs. Alright, yeah, my utensils look used, but I was about to get into them, and when I found that they were so fucked tender, I had to share some with you. So this is a galley. This is the group of the team members, the crew that makes things happen. They make things happen. And here there's all the